CJ Dropshipping is one of the biggest and best dropshipping suppliers out there, and if you haven't heard about them before, they've got over 500,000 products for you to resell, warehousing solutions in China, USA, Indonesia, and Germany, invoicing services, print on demand, a CJ wallet with cashback, easy payment options like PayPal and credit card, custom packaging so you can brand your e-commerce business, product sourcing from sites like 1688 and Taobao that not too many sellers have heard of, and of course the great AliExpress, wholesale services, warehouse services, cash on delivery, and high quality shipping carriers like USPS, DHL, ePacket, and more, and excellent customer service, so if there's any problem with any one of your packages, you can easily open disputes, and CJ Dropshipping will help you with any problem that you're having. Put that together with the #1 dropshipping automation tool, AutoDS, for your price and stock monitoring, so every time a price changes on CJ Dropshipping or the stock status changes, the same changes will be implemented on your e-commerce store automatically, so you don't need to waste your time checking the prices and checking the stock availability of the products on your stores. And not only that, you're going to take advantage of quick and easy product importing. So once you find the products that you want to sell on CJ Dropshipping, you can import them to your store, whether it's one product, 10 products, or even 1,000 products. You can do it easily in just a few seconds, and I will show you an example soon. You're also going to enjoy the Fulfilled by AutoDS service, meaning all of your orders that you're getting from products that you imported from CJ Dropshipping can get fulfilled automatically by the AutoDS system, meaning you don't even have to have your own buyer account. Everything will be fulfilled automatically by the system and shipped out directly to your buyers, even while you travel, even while you sleep. And when there's tracking information available on your orders from CJ Dropshipping, that will also get updated on your stores automatically, so your buyers will be able to easily track the progress of their deliveries. Put that together with easy one-click returns, and all of your dropshipping business is 100% automated, meaning you can now focus your time and efforts on scaling and growing your business and not waste your time trying to chase after the prices, the stocks, your orders, your customer service, and so forth. One of the greatest advantages of the partnership between CJ Dropshipping and AutoDS is that you can simply choose any region that you want to sell on and any region that you want to sell to and from, meaning you can differentiate yourself from the competition. It doesn't matter what your competitors are doing, you can easily do something different by choosing different warehouses to ship from on CJ Dropshipping, and of course choose whatever region you want to sell to. So for example, you don't only have to sell on eBay US or Shopify US, you can sell on eBay UK, eBay Australia, Shopify New Zealand, Wix Australia, Wix UK, and every other region that these selling channels support. This is one of the greatest advantages of dropshipping with CJ Dropshipping and AutoDS, along with all of the automation settings and all of the features that you have on CJ Dropshipping. Now let's see how easy and quick it is to import products that you have on CJ Dropshipping and sell them on your e-commerce stores in just a few clicks. Here on CJ Dropshipping, I made a quick search term for winter hat, and here are the results. Now here on top, we have a whole bunch of filters, and in this case, I'm going to filter by warehouses. And let's say in this example, I'm dropshipping to the US market, so I wanna dropship from US warehouses and get quick and fast domestic shipping, because every customer likes quick shipping times. So what I'm gonna do here is click on filter by US warehouses and see all of the winter hats that we can sell from CJ Dropshipping that are being stored in US warehouses. Now here are all the winter hats that we can sell from CJ Dropshipping on our e-commerce stores that are being sourced from US warehouses. Now let's use the quick product importer and see how simple it is to import one single product. Let's go with this mixed color knitted wool hat right here. So I'm going to click on that, and that opened up the product page on CJ Dropshipping. Now here we have additional information about the product. For example, we've got the seller's rating. You can choose which warehouse you want to ship from and where you want to ship to, including what shipping method you want to use. Now let's import this product really quickly to our stores. How can we do that and save the most amount of time? What I'm going to do is take this SKU right here and copy that. Then I'm going to head over to the AutoDS platform. Once there, on the left side, I'm going to click on Add Products. Then I'm going to choose Single Product and paste that SKU that you just copied. The supplier source is CJ Dropshipping. The region is the United States. We're going to go ahead and click on Edit Now Quick. Now, in just a few seconds, the AutoDS system will grab all of the product's information from CJ Dropshipping and put it on the draft section of our stores on AutoDS. From here, we're going to easily optimize the product and make it look good before importing it to the product section of our store and having it go live. Now, as you can see, in just a couple of seconds, we've got all of the product's information from CJ Dropshipping on the draft section of our stores. Here we can do many things like optimize the product's title, the collections for Shopify stores, the shipping methods, the item location, your monitoring options like stock monitoring, price monitoring, and automatic orders, the product's description. All of the 13 variations that we have there on CJ Dropshipping were also imported in just a couple of seconds. And as you can see, some of the variants on CJ Dropshipping are out of stock, so you will also see it as out of stock right here. And whatever is in stock in CJ Dropshipping in these variants, you'll see it in the green in stock button right here. So this way you can easily see what you have in stock and what you don't have in stock. This is the stock monitoring, along with, of course, the price monitoring. So you can see the prices here. You can click on Edit to open the options for each variant and change the settings inside, like your profitability, the variants sizes and weights, and so forth. And of course, you can remove the variants that you don't want, and you can even add more variants by clicking on the add variant here on the bottom. And what you can do here is simply take more variants that you have on CJ Dropshipping from different sellers and bundle them all under one listing. And here you're also going to differentiate yourself from your competitors because no one is going to have that same unique listing as you. Then you've got the product's images, the item specifications, and so forth. So optimize your product, make it look good, and then click on save and import, and then it'll move to the product section of your store. And in the product section, everything is being monitored, the prices, the stock, and every other automation setting that you have configured. Here you can see all of the products that I have in this Shopify store, all of the variations that we have in stock, whatever is not in stock, the prices on your source site, the prices on your Shopify site, the profit, where you're getting the product from, what tags you have, and so forth. So everything is being monitored automatically in your products page. So that's how you can import one single product to your store in just a matter of seconds. And there's a big difference between doing it automatically and from doing it manually, meaning copying and pasting and downloading all of the images and doing it one by one. Importing one product is going to take way too much time and you'll never really be able to scale your dropshipping business. So that's the quick product importer. Now let's see really quickly how you can do it once you're ready to scale, once you found your category and your best-selling niche inside CJ Dropshipping and you want to import as many products as possible from that best-selling niche that you have. So how do we get that done? Let's say right now we're right before the winter season and you want to import as many winter products as you can because you know that that is selling really well for you, that it's going to sell really well for you. So what are you going to do? The first step is to download and install the AutoDS Dropshipping Chrome Helper extension. This is a free extension. Simply write on Google AutoDS Dropshipping Helper and you'll be taken to this free Chrome extension. Add it to your Chrome, and once that is done, create a search for whatever you want to add to your stores on CJ Dropshipping. And in this example, we're going to go with all of these winter hats. So winter's right up ahead of us and we want to add all of these winter hats to our stores, but we don't want to do it one by one. We obviously don't want to do it manually, but we also don't want to use the single product importer when importing so many products at once. So how are we going to do this? What you want to do is click on the AutoDS circle here, which is that extension that you just installed. Then we're going to click on extract. Now, as you can see, all of the 60 products that we have on this page on CJ Dropshipping, all of their product IDs just extracted into this small extension. Next, what we're going to do is click on export as CSV. And a CSV file will be created and downloaded onto our computer, as you can see right here. There's no need to open that CSV file. It simply holds all of the product information that we have right here. So all of the product IDs are inside that CSV. Now we're going to head back to the AutoDS platform. And once again, on the left side, we're going to click on add products. Only this time, instead of single product, we're going to go with multiple products. Now, one thing you can do here is add that SKU that we added from the single product importer and add multiple SKUs with a line break in between them. And this is another way of importing products in bulk. But let's go with that CSV option that we just talked about. I'm going to click here on the upload CSV column. Here you can also choose what stores you want to publish it to. So it doesn't only have to be one store. If you have multiple stores, you can import these products to all of those stores at once. Now here in the upload CSV section, we can drag and drop that CSV file right here, or click on it to open up your file browser window and navigate to that CSV file. So here's that CSV file. I'm going to double click on it, processing CSV, and file is uploaded. That is all there is to it. What we're going to do now is click on add as a draft. And as you see items being added to draft, click here to track the progress. We can click there to see the progress of the importing process for all of those 60 products that we had inside that CSV file. And that is how simple it is to import not just one, but tens to hundreds to even thousands of products at once from CJ Dropshipping to your dropshipping stores in just a couple of seconds. And don't forget to use all of CJ Dropshipping's multiple warehouses around the world to dropship products from the same warehouses where your target audience resides. For example, if you're dropshipping to Canada, you want to search for products that are coming from Canada's warehouses, and this way you'll be able to ship products really quickly from Canada to Canada, and the same goes for every other region that you want to dropship from and to. I hope that this video helped you guys understand how simple and easy it is to run a successful and automated dropshipping business when mixing great suppliers and great tools like CJ Dropshipping and AutoDS. Good luck with your dropshipping businesses, and I can't wait to see you succeed.